Hi, I'm Russ Monk, Director of High Impact Technologies and co-founder. We develop technologies to keep our soldiers alive. The genesis of the battle jacket technology was the fuel tanker fleet in Iraq getting shot all the heck. Bleed the fuel out, send incendiary rounds in, and light up the convoys. It wasn't just the tankers, it was all the vehicles behind the tankers. We invented a technology with Rhino Linings support that solved this, and it went from a crazy idea to military approval in 10 days. 3 weeks later, we're in Kuwait setting up the first retrofit factory. Without Rhino's horsepower, it wouldn't have happened. Rhino Linings makes world-class resins, and we're able to take their resins, build it to a formula that I need, and then take our secret sauce and be able to combine them to create a product that can protect our troops. Fuel tank protection is our strength. Self-sealing from the coating, self-healing from the reactive chemistry, that synergy makes a product that protects our troops all over the world. When you're shipping huge quantity of products around the world, you can't worry about warranties or quality issues. It has to be right. Rhino's horsepower and Rhino's quality has been phenomenal. We've been able to ship 747 loads of goods all over the planet to support the US military and other militaries. We have a 14-year relationship with Rhino Linings. Their products and our technologies is a synergy that really, really works. We've become one of their largest customers, and I'm proud to say that. Both sides win when this works, and our troops being protected really makes it work.